How to fix ERR QUIC protocol error in Google Chrome. In this tutorial, I'll show you a few simple solutions you can try. First, open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type chrome://flags and press enter. Now, use the search box at the top and search for QUIC. Find Experimental QUIC Protocol and change the setting from default to disabled. After that, click Relaunch at the bottom to restart Chrome and apply the changes. Once Chrome opens again, try accessing the website that was showing the error. If the problem is still there, you can reset the Chrome flags changes. Simply go back to chrome://flags and click Reset All. Another possible cause could be a VPN or browser extension interfering with the website. To check this, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. Go to Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. Now, temporarily disable your VPN or other extensions one at a time by turning off their toggles. After disabling each extension, try accessing the website again. This can help you identify which extension may be causing the problem. Once you found the extension causing the issue, you can disable or remove it. And that's it. These solutions should help you fix the ERR QUIC protocol error in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment below which solution worked for you.